Rats love drains. They use them as a hidden highway to cause damage to our homes and buildings. Lucy cannot sleep. She can hear rats in the walls and roof of her home. She knows that there are rats in the drains and searches for a solution. Dave is an industrial engineer. He often sees damage caused by rats. Dave calls the office and is told he needs to fit a rat blocker to protect buildings and equipment from damage. Dave and Lucy visit ratwall.co.uk to learn more about rat blockers. A rat blocker stops rats accessing a building through drains. Lucy and Dave learn that a choice of rat blocker is available to suit industrial or domestic use. After fitting Ratwall, Lucy is no longer disturbed by rats. Dave orders a Nordisk TX11 Industrial Grade rat blocker. He needs to guarantee maximum performance. Dave fits it quickly, problem solved.